吼吼吼！我要Santa老人，我都还讲广东话。Hello, this is Santa. I also speak Cantonese. Go figure. Anyway, we're going to go inside a temple at the Liun garden right now. So hold on. You know why they did it out of wood, all these buildings? Mm-hmm. They didn't have Legos. No. Very well done though. Tiny group. Hi. Hello.
Before the Sui and the Tang dynasties, the modular system was already used for timber construction. Tai was used as the basic measurement unit. It sets the height of the Dong Gong as one Tai.
Not the big one, but that.
See, I get down here and then off to the side of the buildings.
Not the big one, but that.
See, I get down here and then off to the side of the buildings. Ho, ho, ho. Here we have the back side of a temple, and as we cross over, we have the front side of a waterfall. So this one's bigger than about 5,000 pet rocks.